Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's a different video. So we're going to be doing a clean with me, but with a twist, because I'm going to be redoing this whole bathroom on a budget. Yes, I'm going to try and get it done for less than £150. So this is going to be part one, because this is going to be a bathroom transformation. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to show you what it looks like beforehand, and you can see what we've got to deal with. So this is the bathroom. This is what I'm explaining to you from a previous video, how completely untidy this is. Can you see this countertop? Yes, please don't judge me, people. Yeah, really untidy. We've got the bath here that you've probably seen in my previous video, evening routine. We've got stuff hanging behind the door here, bath mat. We've even got carpet down, which is horrible. It's actually not a bad carpet, to be honest, but it needs to come up. So that's going to be part of the transformation as well. And we've got a shower here as well that we don't really use. It's actually not got a head on it at the moment because we took it off to use somewhere else. So yeah, because we've got showers in the other two bathrooms, so this one doesn't really get used. So this one's, it probably just wants a clean, to be honest. So yeah, we're going to get around to cleaning this, but this is the before. Horrible old brown towel rails all need to go. These tiles, again, we're not going to be able to take them off, but I've got some ideas on what we can do. So yeah, let's get clearing out this bathroom of all this junk. Yeah, there we go.